If you think passing FTMO challenge is about finding the magical strategy, you've already lost. In this video, we're going to break down how we managed to pass phase 1 of FTMO challenge without using any magical indicator. You're going to see the reality of trading that 99% of gurus edit out. Let's go to charts.
So as we see here, this is the second challenge that we took after this first one. So we're going to see the account metrics of this account. So as we see here, guys, the challenge started on 1 October 2025 and ended in late December. This means that it took us 3 months to pass the challenge. Most people who jump into trading, they believe that money is made easily in trading. But the reality, it's never about money, it's all about percentage. The very important part most traders skip is the percentage part in trading. And as you see here, this is the percentage part I'm talking about. 10% profit target was hit in 3 months, and that goes around 51 trading days. As we see here, the discipline score was 92%, which is very good. We see the win rate is not too high, 24% win rate. With the 24% win rate, yet we managed to win the FTMO challenge. That opens a door to a very strong and bold reality that risk management is the most important part in trading. If we look closer here, the average loss was $278. Yes, we were using only 0.25% of our balance. So when we lose $278, $280. When we win $1,000. This reflects our ratio of 4R. Profit target was almost 1.40 and we used 10,141 lots. We took 129 trades, and this is the trading journal we see here. Now, this is going to reflect on a very important part of trading. If we see October, with all these trades we took here, we managed to bank 2% profit target. November, we used the same approach and the same strategy and the same system, yet we lost almost 1%. But the magic is December covered 99% of the profit target, which is $9,531 in 17 trading days. This reflects the reality of trading. You cannot run away from the outcome of trading, because no one in the world can run away from the outcome of trading. If the market decides to break through all the rules of your system in a certain month, you cannot complain. The only way to make money in trading is staying disciplined, consistent, and stubborn over your system. Especially that our system is tested over years and managed to make very high profit return. Unfortunately, this is dream breaker for so many beginners. When we jumped into trading, we used to think that we're going to hit millions of dollars just by investing $1,000 or $2,000. Unfortunately, it is just the way gurus show these results on Instagram and other platforms. But the reality is, if you managed to be patient and instead of chasing millions and millions of dollars, the only way that works in trading is chasing percentage profit. Because if you managed to make 2%, 3% profit target in trading on a $100,000 funded account, that means that you made $3,000. Maybe this number is very normal to so many people. That's why the trick here is to use multiple funded accounts. Because the great reality of trading is that it takes only one single click to enter a trade, especially when we have a higher time frame system. Our system works very well on higher time frame. So this same 10% that managed to make $10,000 in 3 full months, the same approach, the same system, the same entries would have managed to make $100,000 if we were using multiple funded accounts. And remember, our risk is very low because our system is designed in a way that we risk very low and we profit very high. Win rate in this case becomes very objective to the markets, not to us as traders. But the question is, how many traders are ready to accept this outcome? How many traders are ready to wait for 3 months or 2 months or maybe 1 month to hit the target? Well, based on our 7 years of market experience, only 1% of traders manage to have this discipline in the market. I'm not saying trading is very easy, but I'm not saying trading is impossible. It's only impossible when you think that technical analysis or fundamental analysis or this signal or this indicator is going to make you money. We're here at Your Daily Capital to let you see the reality of trading. We're not bombing you with unrealistic outcome or unrealistic results. No, we're showing you our losses that are very low compared to our profits. And sometimes you might have ugly days like these and amazing days like these. Trading is never in our control. The very hard part is when you have a losing day, you accept this loss, you get off the screen, and you sleep knowing that the future will bring better outcomes. But the question is, are you ready to be that trader